Day 9 beat practice on flat plate estate beat. Purpose of estate beat practice: learn arc control and hand stability, understand wheel pull formation, control arc length, stable speed, and beat shape. Foundation for all joint and positioned. Materials and setup: practical workpiece, mild steel flat plate, thickness 6 to 8 mm, recommended for beginner. Plate surface must be clean, no rust, paint, and oil. Electrode E6013, recommended for practice, size 3.15 mm or 2.5 mm for beginner. Machine setting: current 2.5 mm, 80 to 100 ampere, 3.15 mm, 100 to 130 ampere, polarity AC/DC, position flat 1G, 1G position, flat position, welding. Welding position and body posture: stand in comfortable balance position, support electrode hand using free hand or plate edge, helmet down before stacking arc, keep body slide to side, not directly above weld. Electrode angle and arc length: work angle 90 degree to plate, stable angle 10 to 15 degree in direction of stable, arc length equal to electrode diameter. Estate beat welding step: practical, strike arc using scratch and tap method, hold arc steady for 2 to 3 seconds, move electrode straight forward smoothly, maintain constant speed, do not wave, estate line only. Stop arc smoothly at inch of beat. Stable speed control: too slow, with beat, except build of slugs interment. Too fast, thin beat, poor penetration, correct speed given uniform beat width. Practice exercise 1, single estate beat, 100 to 150 mm length. Exercise 2, multiple parallel beat with equal spacing. Exercise 3, restart a beat from stop point smoothly. Common defect and correction: defect cost and correction, uneven beat, unsteady hand, improve hand support, excess spatter, high current, reduce ampere, electrode stacking, low current, increase ampere, narrow fast stable, reduce speed, with beat, slow stable, increase speed. Virtual inspection basic হচ্ছে: beat should be straight and uniform, even riffle pattern, no undercut or extensive spatter, slugs easily removable. Safety inspection basic: wear full PPE, even hot plate with bare hand, cheap slugs after cooling, keep area clean. আজকে আমরা দেখে নিলাম বিট প্র্যাকটিস অন ফ্ল্যাট প্লেট স্টেট বিট